It's an untold truth that driver number 8 people struggle a lot in their lives. They are ruled by the planet called Saturn, which is called Shani Maharaj. So they have a lot of struggles. They see a lot of struggles in their life. A normal person, other driver number people, which they a particular task which they can complete in certain time. Driver number 8 people take a lot of time, or it takes a lot of time to get that task done by the universe. Do they also struggle in their personal life? What do you think? Personal life, love life, married life. If you're driver number 8, let me know in comments that how is your personal life, how is you are dealing with your love life. Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on new contents which I bring every week, and share this video with your friends, families, especially who are driver number 8. Let us decode the reasons logically one by one. Normally, driver number 8 people, that means you're born on 8th, 17th or 26th of the month. Your driver number will be 8 and will be driven by the planet called Saturn. Often it is seen that when they have a married life, when they are getting married to somebody, unknowingly they get married to the driver number 4 people. That means your spouse might be driver number 4. That means 4, 22nd or 13th and 31st of the month. That means your spouse will be driver number 8 people. So basically, whichever date you're born, you have to make it to a single digit. That's how you derive your driver number. If you haven't known yet how to derive your driver number, please go and watch my previous videos. You can get an understanding. Let us come back to the topic. So if you're driver number 8 people, it is often seen that you are married to a driver number 4 people. There's nothing wrong in it, but it is seen by the research that driver number 8 people and driver number 4 people, when they come to a permanent relationship, which is marriage or love life, there is a lot of struggle, because 4 is the planet, 4 is the number driven by the planet Rahu. So when Rahu and Saturn comes together, they don't make a good permanent relationship. They are good in a temporary relationship. So if you have a friend or maybe a boyfriend, girlfriend, then it's till that point it's fine. Whenever getting into a permanent relationship, a business partner maybe, which is business normally goes a long way. So whenever you are getting partnered with a driver number 4 people or getting married to driver number 4 people, there is a conflict. Just let me know in case you're also struggling in your personal life, in your married life, then let me know in comments. Next reason, when driver number 8 people getting married to driver number 1 people, that means you're born on 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of the month. 1 is driven by the planet called Sun, and Sun and Saturn doesn't go together well. There's a long story. There are videos for that. You can go and check the reason. If I want to state the reason here, the video will be unnecessarily too long. So I'm not stating the reason. But by now, know the fact that driver number 8 and driver number 1 people don't get along together. So there is a conflict. So let me know if your driver number 8 and your spouse driver number is 1, and how is your love life or married life. The next reason is if your driver number 8 and your spouse's driver number is driver number 2. That means you're born on 2nd, 11th, 20th and 29th of the month. The same thing happens. Driver number 8 and driver number 2. 2 is driven by the planet called Moon. So Moon and Saturn doesn't go together well. Let us understand this element wise. Driver number 8, which is Saturn, is driven by the element which is iron, and Moon is driven by the element water. So when iron and water comes together, there is a rust. So you have to understand this scientifically and logically. Why is your married life, why is your love life is not that good? Interesting fact is, knowing the fact or unknowingly, driver number 8 people get along well with driver number 2, driver number 1 and driver number 4 before they are married, before they get into any permanent relationship, because they make a very good temporary relationship and they think that that will last long. So that's why they get into that. There are other reasons also for a good married life or a good love life or a good personal life, but these are the major reasons. So whenever you're getting married, please note what is your driver number, what is your spouse's driver number, especially if you're driver number 8. So note these 3 points, 3 driver numbers, so that you don't make a mistake by getting married. I'm not saying that this is the only reason, but this is one of the reasons. You will see that a lot of people who are driver number 8 got married to one of these driver numbers, but still they are living happily. But there are other numbers in the birth chart which drives the marriage, which drives the love life, which drives the personal life. There are remedies in case you're already married and your spouses are one of these numbers. Then these two things. On every Friday, you donate white goods, white edible goods like milk, flour, which is atta basically, paneer, kheer, anything white, sugar, or else you can donate white clothes also to disabled people. It's better that the people you're donating who's disabled, if you don't get any disabled people, you can donate to any beggar who are less blessed in the society. People who are staying abroad, they can go to temple, church or gurudwara. You can see you don't get beggars outside there because you're staying abroad. Then you can donate in temple or in church or in gurudwara in the name of those disabled people. Secondly, on every Saturday you can donate the less blessed people like rickshaw puller, auto drivers, garbage collector, all these people who are less blessed in the society. This way you can little bit of improve your personal life, your married life, your love life. If it's not good, if it's going good, then no issues, you can carry on with it. Let me know if this topic, if this content is useful for you, if it's interesting for you. I'll make some other videos on other topics. Let me know if you want me to make any content on any specific topic. Please comment me or can DM me in the numbers which is mentioned in the caption or in the description box. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.